welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video, welcome to another vlog. Today is Monday, February 24, 2025, and it's currently 9 o'clock in the morning. And in today's video I am doing something super satisfying. I am going to be deep cleaning my bedroom. I just have a lot going on in this room. I got my dirty clothes everywhere. My clean clothes is mixed with the dirty clothes. I got trash sitting everywhere. And yeah, I got dust literally everywhere. And it's been like this since last week. The past few weeks has been really busy for me. I've just been in and out of the house. I haven't really had time to like clean up my room and organize it. So I'm taking out today to actually just do that. Bring my room back to life. I love when my space is clean. It helps me think better, create more. It helps me feel good about myself when my room is clean. And yeah, let's dive right into the video. I'm going to give you guys a quick tour of what my bedroom looks like, and just so you guys have an idea of what we are dealing with today. Starting off is my vanity desk. This desk has become my storage area because this is where I just literally put everything. And look how dusty and crusty it is looking. My mirror is also very dirty. I don't know what that is. It is dirty. And right on my floor is my work bag and some clothes that should not be on the floor. They're on the floor, so we have to tidy up this area as well and clean it up. Moving on to my bed, like guys, I don't know, this bed is packed with junk, literally junk all over it. My sheets are actually clean because I did wash them. I just have a whole bunch of stuff that I'm not supposed to be on the bed, and I cannot even gain access to my closet because of all of this junk on the floor. We have to clean it up, tighten it up, and make it look nice. I also have to organize my closet because what is all of this? Not looking good at all. So I am going to let you guys sit back, enjoy, relax as we get into it. And that's it. My bedroom looks so much better now. It feels so much relaxing, and I just cannot wait to crawl into this bed tonight for some good night's sleep. It smells so good in here, like, oh, I am so happy. I feel so much better. I feel like I have my room back together, and I feel like I just have my space back. And yeah, I hope this video encourages you one way or the other to clean out your space, clean out your closet, organize your room, whatever it is you want to do. If you did enjoy watching this video, go ahead and comment down below what you think. Also, let me know how you organize your space. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.